Hello! Welcome to our weather channel. Let's get straight to our update. Today is January 5th, 2025. Heavy snow is expected in Kansas, Missouri, and Kentucky. In Arkansas, heavy rainfall accompanied by severe weather events has prompted warnings. Starting Monday, Tennessee and Washington, D.C. are expected to experience storms and heavy snow. Similarly, Louisiana and Mississippi are forecasted to see heavy rainfall. Looking at the total snowfall over the next 5 days. Kansas. Snow depth is expected to range between 10 and 15 centimeters. Missouri. Snowfall could reach up to 10 centimeters. Illinois. A total of 10 centimeters of snow is expected over 5 days. Indiana. Snowfall between 10 and 15 centimeters is forecasted, with higher elevations seeing up to 20 centimeters. Kentucky, West Virginia, and Ohio. In higher regions, snowfall could reach 15 to 20 centimeters. Washington, D.C. Snowfall is expected to range between 15 and 20 centimeters. These weather events are expected to impact around 62 million people. Heavy snow is forecasted for areas stretching from Kansas to New Jersey, while severe storm risks are present in Louisiana and Arkansas. Adverse weather conditions have led to thousands of flight and train cancellations. Authorities are urging residents to stay